Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can interact with any animal group in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all, you need to find the animal and make sure that you have already filled the through with food so they're not hungry. And you can click on this icon. And I'm going to just interact with the animal like this. Okay. And this is the interaction, guys. Okay, done. Alright, and as you can see that I have already completed interacting with the animal mission or quest. Okay, if you want to fill the through, you need to find the through and you can fill it with oops, I have already filled the through. You won't be able to interact with the animal if you haven't filled the through like this. And I've already placed enough food here so I can interact with this animal. Okay guys, and that's how you can interact with animal in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.